Hey guys, how you doing? I wanted to make a quick video to just show you a simple way to use indicators and why you do use indicators, or some type of line or something of that nature to help you decide when to get in or to get out of a position that you took. Okay, so I made this. I notice a lot of people make their lines and they don't really explain it. Okay, I'm gonna explain mine. I made these lines. If you look at the yellow lines, you know that my lines for the trend, the, the lines for my trend is usually in yellow. Okay, and the line for support and resistance is usually purple. Okay, and then as you see, this orange line is the VWAP line. We won't be focusing on that today, so let me take it off if I could. Okay, so I made this these trend lines at about 10:30 this morning, and as you could see that the trend lines acted as support and resistance all throughout the day. Okay, so I was just watching the trend go lower and lower and lower, and I see that it was supporting it earlier in the at about, what was this, 2:30. You see that it broke a bit lower. Okay, now before we get into that, let's look into this part right here where we see the purple support line. It started bouncing off the support in this range right here. You seen it was trending lower, but it was bouncing off the support. Okay, so after about right here, you see when it finally broke below the support, it was so much selling pressure that it dropped all the way down to 25.33. So you notice the support didn't hold up and then it just sold off. And remember, when I say when you use indicators, no one actually knows if the indicators work. Okay, my point of using indicators is to know how people are going to act, because everyone that uses these indicators act a certain type of way. You know, they use it for buy and sell confirmation. They use it to decide what they're going to do. So you know that once it broke below the support, that it was going to drop, because the psychology of everyone is to sell it. And that's why it dropped to 25.33, right? So it broke, it actually dropped. It was so much selling going on that it dropped below the trend of the day. You see it made like a W and then it came back above the trend. Okay. For those of you looking to enter, once you've seen that it broke the resistance of the upper trend, you see that it broke the resistance right here. It went down, it actually tested it and failed and went down to 25.61, but it came back and broke it again. And to me, that is confirmation that it is now at an uptrend. So if you were just watching it today, right, at about, this is 5 o'clock, this is after hours, right about 5 o'clock would have been a great time to get into this position. And as you could see, once it broke it, it actually kept going up, and the previous support, which became the resistance, it actually crossed that and shot up some more. So right now, to me, this is on a bullish pattern. It is now trending upwards. Okay, my position is at 26.20. I'm currently at 26.28. I'm confident, and Ugaz is something that I also know is trending upwards. So even if I had bought in it too early and it was to continue to drop a little bit, maybe to 24 or 23, I am confident that because of the climate with natural gas, that eventually, maybe in a week, maybe 2 weeks the most, I will be profitable. I will be able to sell my position and not take a loss. But I'm also hoping, based off the trends and what's going on, that I can make a profit, a substantial profit, and be able to sell it before the end of this week. And today's Thursday, so hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to sell it. I'm hoping it goes up to 28, 29, maybe 30. I'm really thinking it should go up to about 29ish, and I will sell it there, and then see what else is going on. But I hope I explained this in an easy way for you guys to understand. I'm thinking maybe I should start drawing on the screen so I can highlight certain areas so you guys could know exactly what I'm talking about. But I hope I explained it in a way that you guys understand. So leave a comment below. Let me know if you traded Ugaz today and let me know what happened. And I'll make another video for you guys soon. Comment, subscribe, like, share. See ya.